Understanding Life's Lessons. A Guide for English Learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and meaningful phrase, life's lessons. This phrase is not just about the English language, but also about the wisdom we gain from our experiences. So, let's dive into what this phrase means and how it can be used in everyday conversation. Life's lessons refers to the valuable experiences and knowledge we gain as we go through different events in our life. These lessons are often learned through personal experiences, both good and bad, and they help shape our understanding of the world and ourselves. Unlike lessons in a classroom, life's lessons are not taught formally but are understood through living and experiencing different situations. Here, we will look at some common examples of life's lessons. For instance, a person might learn the importance of honesty after being caught in a lie, or understand the value of hard work after achieving a personal goal. These experiences teach us valuable truths that stay with us throughout our lives. Now, let's learn how to use life's lessons in everyday English. You might hear someone say, "One of life's lessons is learning to let go of what you can't control." In this context, the phrase is being used to share a piece of wisdom or a learned truth. You can use this phrase when giving advice or reflecting on personal growth. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and use of the phrase, life's lessons. Remember, the best way to learn a language is through understanding its phrases and their meanings in real-life contexts. So, keep an eye out for life's lessons in your own experiences and use them to enhance your English learning journey. Until next time, happy learning!